Hello science students. Today I'm going to show you our monarch butterflies and use them as an example of characteristics of living things. At the end of August we captured some monarch caterpillars, and feeding them milkweed will keep them alive for a few weeks as they then go through a chrysalis phase and then emerge as adult butterflies. This week in science you should be learning the 8 characteristics of living things. All living things reproduce, and the monarch butterflies reproduce sexually. We'll talk about their life cycle in a minute. All living things respond to their environment. At the end of the summer, just around now, the adult monarch butterflies start to migrate to south to Mexico and California. But the best thing they're an example of is all living things grow and develop. Growth is an increase in size. We see the caterpillars right now eating all these milkweed leaves and growing. And development means to change as you grow. And so the adult monarch butterfly finds milkweed and lays eggs. And during a 5-week mating period, they could lay 300 to 500 eggs. After about 4 days in the eggs, a caterpillar larval stage pops out and spends the next 2 weeks just eating milkweed leaves. They shed their outer skin about 5 times during that time. And once they're big enough, after that 5th shedding of skin, they'll find a safe place, attach upside down and form a J, and then shed its final layer of skin and emerge as a chrysalis, which is their pupa stage. They stay inside the chrysalis for another 8 to 14 days or so before they emerge as an adult butterfly. And then the adult butterfly within a week becomes sexually active, and over the summer they'll survive for about 5 weeks laying eggs, and again at the end of the summer they'll migrate, and those butterflies, the migrating phase, can survive up to 9 months. So we will keep track of these guys as they go through their developmental phases and share video of the very cool monarch chrysalis with you. The monarch caterpillar is pretty awesome. It has a cool white and yellow coloring. Here we have 3 of them just chowing down on milkweed. The milkweed is poisonous to most plants, but the monarchs have a built-in evolved defense of being able to store that poisonous chemical, and then they in turn use it and keep birds from eating them. They recognize based on the color pattern they should avoid eating monarch caterpillars. And the chrysalis is really cool. Once we get to that stage, it's green with gold rings. So all living things grow and develop. We'll show you the different monarch developmental phases as we go. Thanks for watching.